Hello everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to get or buy Apple products with student discount. So if you are a university student or a K-12 student, this is the best opportunity for you to buy Apple products. So what you're going to do is just type Apple and then go to apple.com. So here you can select which products you want to buy. For example, I want to buy Mac and I want to go to MacBook Air. So as you can see here, there is an information that tell you buy MacBook Air starting at $899 with education savings. And now through 9 out of 30, get a 150 gift card. Shop. So click shop here. So as you can see right here, the MacBook Air M2, the one I chose, is cost $999. And for education for a student, you can get $899. So it's like $100 off, which is very good. So if you are ready to buy, you just click right here and then click this option. As you can see here, you can select which storage you want to buy. You can buy per month for like $74 for 12 months. Then you can select here, click add to bag, click review bag, and finally you can check it out here. See if you want to pay in full or pay monthly. Click checkout. And finally you can get an Apple product with student discount. So I think that's pretty much for it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.